Hi, Evelyn. So this is our trip about finding the cat cafe we want to go to. We saw this big cat mascot at the street of Myeongdong, and she's pointing out to this cat cafe at this corner. Actually, there are a couple of cat cafes in this building alone, like three of them. But I don't know why we didn't decide to go in there. Or maybe because that's not the one I saw in Google when I searched for a cat cafe that I want to go to. And this father daughter team doesn't seem to want to go in there, but this cat mascot just brought another batch of customers to go to their cat cafe. If you look, there's like one, two, three cafes in this building alone, or maybe it's the entire building. I'm not sure. Anyway, we didn't go to this cafe because we want to go to the other cafe, the cat playground. So it will take us another 100 meters walk away from this area. And so we decided not to go here and just go find the one that I wanted. So we left this area, and I think this I mean, father daughter team also went another way. So,
Mm. Mm-mm. Are we going here?
I guess. We want to go back to the main street.
so yeah, we left same time as this father daughter team went. And then just about this corner, when you walk back from where you are, you will see Misha, and you will also see Nature Republic and that almond store of different kind of almond flavored candies. It means you're near this cat playground that I went to. So yeah, there's that almond place big, but there's a lot of almond place like that. Anyway, this is where you should go. Turn right, and it's on the third floor. And just walk through it. You will see a signage outside,
Is that the one we're going
and
to?
that's it.
If we go there, diba, I need to buy a drink and that includes the entrance. Tama? Uh-uh. Up to 23, there are 50 cute cats.
Yep, that's the same one we saw online.
Are you ready?
I'm fine. You want to go?
I want to go. Smells like cat. Smells like cat. Is there elevator?
Push the button. Is there a button?
No. Yes. What floor is it?
Third floor.
I brought allergy medicine in case you don't get allergy.
We're gonna die in here.
Hmm?
I think we're gonna die in here. Well, panoramic.
Hmm?
How many viewers you got?
I got 9 viewers. We're going in a cat cafe. There are 50 cats. Oh, it's the red ones are not allowed
The
to touch.
blue are sensitive cats.
Oh,
Take off
yeah,
your
yes.
shoes.
Because you're gonna eat that shoes.
I don't know.
Hmm? Oh, that's so pretty, guys. That's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty, 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 pretty. You see? She's carrying the big precious kitty. So many kitties. Sleeping cat.
They should put their shoes in the shoe closet on the right.
Put in the shoebox, says.
Do you bring in slippers? Everybody has slippers.
And change your shoes into slippers. Yeah. Okay. Put your shoes and then change your shoes to slippers.
So before you go in, you will have to change your shoes to the slippers they provide. It's in the area, and you can just leave your shoes in the rack. And then going inside, you will have to wear the slippers all the time, and also they will give you a plastic bag for your
Changing shoes
stuff
to
because
slippers
the
because
kitties
yeah,
might
we're
pee
going
on
to
it.
cat
So
cafe in
just to
the
be
cat
safe,
cafe.
and also you can there's an alcohol or sanitizer by the doorway, so you can just clean your hands first before you start touching the cats. So we went in, and oh my gosh, I thought there's a big playground for the kid cats, and there's a lot of cats.
Thank you.
And so she gave us our bags, just these plastic bags to put our bags in, and
Or
look at
here na
those
lang. Here.
pretty cats. And of course,
One here
where I
or
want
there
to
na?
sit and
There na
have
lang.
some
Sorry.
clothes, my phone, my where we're gonna go, and then so I can eat there so I can see everything. And so they show us a menu and the rules, and then
Okay.
ayan, order drinks. As soon as you order your drinks, they will give you one drink per person, and I think it's 7,000 won per person. That includes a drink and the unlimited play. And so as soon as I got there, I didn't waste my time. I go hunting for cats that I want to touch. Yes, you can only touch. You can carry the kitty cats, but it's fine. The cats are so cute and so friendly and so soft and so sweet. I love to play with all those cats. It's stress reliever. So many cats. So he's so sad. This is the kitty cat. I think he's following another cat. Because everywhere you go, there's a cat, and all the cat lovers are there enjoying a fun time, finding a cat to play with. So cute, kitties everywhere. Just play. I found a toy among the toys in this cat playground now. There I got like 4 or 5 kitties at one time playing with me. It's just heaven for me, you know. Because cats are like super cute. That they're different types. There's Persian, there's also spacing. There's like the short tail and so many. I just don't know the name. Anyway, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cats, kitties, so pretty cats with breeds and they're like fluffy. Oh my god, the many cats. I'm so happy. This is the happiest thing ever. This is the Sphinx I was talking to you about. Looks like so gentle and sensitive. I talk to cats, you know. I have my own cat and I talk to my cat all the time. They like to be talked to, you know. So they like snub things. They're just like enjoying it.
How many ways I gotta tell you to leave me alone, lady? Take a hint.